into our trending story for this morning. If you missed some of our big interviews, big stories, you can check them out on our social media pages. That's Star FM across all social media platforms from Facebook, TikTok, X, you name it. So now trending is a video from Apostle Joe Daniel saying, when you marry a lady who has almost everything figured out, sell everything and start afresh. So I've got a clip for you here. Yeah.
Yemuskana nezvinhu zvake tengesai zvese mutange paground kutoti chitosangana mubhedha wawinawo ngautengeswa wardrobe ngaitengeswe zvese tengesa ngatitange from scratch because you know yachiti zvese zviri muno ndezvangu muno zvese iye hapana but nongomukumbira torit hapana hako chako muno chindidawo anokuda sei sakudze kuti love language yemurume provision because paanokutengera mubhedha akurakidza rudo saka da kuona kuti chareacta sei anosvika mukicheni matoni mapoto zvese nemafiriji uchiti hakuna kwairi kuenda yakasimba tenga kudubai rongedza zvinhu zvako zvese uendese unochengeta kumba kwamai wavo ngatitange pa ndina baba ndakutungamira ndosachiti iwo semwanasikana wagarire wada kutora munhu anowana zvishoma kuvura iwe wadiwa wawana munhu wekuti anoti this fridge baby I need to buy you something better uchibvuma uchisiyawo unodiri munhu anototi atotemba wakafiriji kawina kweka.
Right, so that's Apostle Joe Daniel Daniels there saying, listen, when you marry a lady who has almost everything figured out in life, sell everything and start afresh. I'd love to hear what's your take on this. Lewe, good morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm lovely, thanks. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
How are you, too? What's going on? I don't look okay. I'm good. What's your take on this? DJ Lewe, already right now you're staying by yourself.
Yes.
You've got your things somewhat figured out, right? And you're still pushing.
My pots from Dubai.
You're still pushing for more.
Yes.
Yeah. And then you get married. Over one to listen. Tange afresh.
Well, isn't that how it's supposed to be? Like,
yeah.
I think it's supposed to be like that. Even my attachments, like how I would love my pressure cooker.
I'm gonna tenga imwe.
But
so I remember growing up, yeah. My mom would always say, mukadzi kana arorwa, pavakarorwa ivo back in the days. Hands wairongedzerwa suitcase one, no matter how much stuff you've got. Suitcase one year hembe, a few pairs of shoes because your man is supposed to provide. So you don't go with anything else outside your clothes and your shoes. So now every time she come to my house, she'll be like, she says, and I'm like, no, I go with my stuff, I'll take my stuff with me, especially my clothes, my shoes, and like sometimes to my little things that you are attached to.
Yeah, I like this casserole dish that I saw and I saved, and then I went and
dispenser.
Yes.
And to sell everything and start
afresh. But I understand where he's coming from, and I also get it. I can't part away with my microwave, guys.
You go buy another one.
My microwave. Do you want to go for your
It's a limited edition.
Where would I find something like that?
It's a limited edition.
It is. A very famous, like... Ndakaiwana zvokujuma brand racho because I can't afford to buy that brand, but ndakaita yekujuma baba.
But it's still in the market.
It's not that type.
It's not.
Not that type. Mina nguti a big one. Include the microwave. Include the microwave, but I understand just also. And kana wapeto that I think we fanozoenda ahead yekuti waenda kwa aino zvinhu zvake zvacho zvinofana kubviswa futi one.
Like now, we need to start afresh. I'm always thinking it's a bit unfair that I have to move into a house where you've got your stuff in and I cannot bring my stuff. But we're
supposed to get rid of that stuff as well. Because the argument is always Muskana going in bed wakatingwa nani. But I'm also thinking wako wacho wakuzoti wakatenga wairarwa nani.
Okay.
You understand? TV, guys, TV is just a TV. Come on.
All right. So it is our training story for this morning. Yeah, I'd love to hear your take on this. So training is a video of Apostle Joe Daniel saying, when you marry a lady who has almost everything figured out, sell everything and start afresh. Imagine what
I was about to ask you, does that also include the car or the house? Or my furniture, that can be easily replaced.
Yeah. Yeah, but please hit me up on WhatsApp. If you're gonna send me an audio, please make sure that your audio is just under 30 seconds. What's your take? Hansi, when you marry a lady who has almost everything figured out, sell everything and start afresh.
Yakumana, varume avadi kuzokutenga maplates. Andangaufunza kuti kwekudyira
My station. My station. It's a vibe. My favorite station.
The Morning Galaxy, live and direct on Star FM. Sounding good.